In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a 3 GB file using Gmail. Sometimes we encounter the challenge of needing to send large files such as videos or project work that exceed email attachment limits. Gmail's limit for attachments is 25 megabytes, which isn't sufficient for our 3 GB file. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that we'll cover today using Google Drive. To start, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. If you're not already in your inbox, navigate to it. You can do this by entering your credentials either through the Gmail app or by visiting mail.google.com on your web browser. Once you're in your inbox, you'll see the familiar interface with your emails organized, usually by date. Now focus your attention on the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll find the Compose button. This button is your gateway to creating a new email, and that's our next step. Click on it and a small window appears in the right hand corner, ready for you to start composing your email. With the new email window open, you're presented with fields to enter the recipient's email address, a subject line, and the main body for your email content. For now, leave those fields as they are. We're going to direct our focus to attaching that large file. Just below the subject line, you'll see a series of icons. Among them, there is a stylized triangular icon representing Google Drive. It's the third one from the left, and it's what we'll be using to send our large file. Click on this Google Drive icon. This will allow you to attach files directly from your Google Drive to this email. Clicking the Google Drive icon opens a new window connected to your Google Drive account. Here you'll see a list of files and folders stored in your drive. It might seem like a lot at first, but don't worry, you can navigate through your folders just like you would on your computer. We're specifically interested in the My Drive section. Look over there and ensure you're viewing your complete list of available files. Scroll through My Drive until you locate the 3 GB video file that you want to send. Depending on the organization of your drive, this might take a moment. You can take advantage of the search bar to find the file quicker if you remember its name or related keywords. Once you've spotted the file you're sending, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, you'll notice a blue bar appear at the bottom of the pop-up window with an option saying Add as Attachment or Insert as Link. In the case of files over 25 megabytes, Gmail defaults to inserting it as a link. This embeds a link to the file stored in your Google Drive directly into your email rather than attempting to send the file itself as a bulky attachment. Click on Add as Link. At this point you should see a file link appear in your email window. It might show a preview of the file and indicate that it will be shared through Google Drive. What this means is when your recipient clicks on this link, they'll be directed to Google Drive where they can view or download the file as long as they have permission to do so. Before hitting send, double check the other details of your email, fill in the recipient's email address, add an appropriate subject line, and enter any message in the body of the email that provides context for the file you're sending. Your recipient will appreciate any additional information about the file's contents or its intended use. One last thing to consider is the sharing permissions of your file on Google Drive. By default, the file link shared in your email will use the permissions set in Google Drive. Ensure that your recipient has access to view or download the file to avoid unnecessary back and forth. You can edit these permissions directly in Google Drive or follow a prompt that may appear in Gmail after inserting the link. Once everything looks good and you've confirmed that your file's permissions are in order, press the send button on your email. Your email is now on its way, with your large file attached via Google Drive link, overcoming the attachment size limit and making it easy for your recipient to download. And there you have it. By using these simple steps, you can easily send a 3 GB file through Gmail using Google Drive, maintaining both convenience and organization. I hope this guide helps you overcome any large file challenges you encounter in Gmail, making your email communications more efficient and productive. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.